Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. Fall and winter are the perfect seasons for hot soups. They're so satisfying and delicious. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Butternut Squash Soup. Tasty and easy to make, this is a great recipe to add to your folder. So, my friends, let's get cooking. In a Dutch oven over medium-high heat, we'll add oil as well as butter. And when it gets hot and starts sizzling, we'll add white onions, followed by red peppers, then celery and carrots. All roughly chopped, except my onions, because they were dedicated for another recipe. Then I changed my mind and started making the soup instead. We'll add a couple pinches of ground sea salt and saute the vegetables for 5 minutes. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and saute it for only 30 seconds before adding butternut squash. Last month, I showed you 2 easy ways to prep the squash, so if you missed it, click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. We'll mix well and then season with thyme leaves and cayenne pepper, but you can always substitute hot paprika. Of course, we'll give a stir and pour in some chicken broth. Now, we'll push the ingredients down, making sure they're all submerged in the liquid. If they're not, simply add a little bit more broth, all right? We'll add a bay leaf, increase the heat to high, and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll cover, reduce the heat to medium-low, and let it simmer gently for 30 minutes or until the vegetables are very tender. After half an hour, ooh la la! Look at this, guys. It's colorful and the aroma is simply gorgeous. So we'll test to see if the vegetables are tender, and if so, we'll remove the bay leaf, discard it, and then add a couple tablespoons of maple syrup. This will wrap the soup up beautifully. Now, using an immersion blender, we'll process until the mixture is nice and smooth. If using a blender, work in batches, making sure to place a dish towel on the lid. When the soup is pureed, we'll taste and adjust if necessary. Mine is perfect the way it is. If we're happy with it, we'll add some heavy cream, give a good stir before serving it in warm bowls. We'll garnish with crumbled cooked bacon, a light drizzle of heavy cream, and sprinkle on some chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our butternut squash soup. Tasty, colorful, and healthy, this is a wonderful soup to make during the cold season. Loaded with deliciousness, this is a recipe you simply have to save to your folder. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!